simple, healthy drinks you can make within a minute. Homemade natural drinks are known for helping solve any possible problem, from weight gain to acne. But with so many recipes out there, it can be pretty overwhelming. But don't worry, these 5 easy-to-make drinks are all you need. Before you learn about all these delicious health-boosting recipes, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the bright side of life. Number 1. Banana and oatmeal smoothie for breakfast. It's always good to start your morning on a positive note, so what better way to do that than with a delicious and highly nutritious banana and oatmeal smoothie for breakfast? Bananas are one of the best fruits out there thanks to their sweet taste and abundance of health benefits. They stabilize blood sugar levels, promote heart health, help the digestive system work better, and provide you with all the energy you need. Oatmeal is also known for its amazing properties, including an impressive amount of phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and vitamins B1 and B5. To make this smoothie even tastier, throw in a bit of orange juice, which, as you may know, is a great source of vitamin C. Plus, it boosts your immune system and detoxifies the body. For this magical drink, you'll need to take 1 cup of low-fat milk, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 medium-sized banana, and 1 pack of instant oatmeal. You can also add some ice cubes if you want. Cut the banana into small pieces and place it in the blender with all the other ingredients for about a minute. And that's it. Drink this smoothie every day for breakfast and you'll quickly notice the positive changes in your mood and energy levels. Number 2. Watermelon and cucumber for headache. Splitting headaches and migraines can catch us off guard when we're working or just need to get things done. And this is exactly the moment when this natural homemade remedy can come to your rescue. To make this head-relieving drink, you'll need 1/2 of a watermelon, 1/2 a cucumber, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 mint leaves. You can also add some ice to the mix if you want to. Start by cutting the watermelon into cubes and removing the seeds. Peel the cucumber, remove its seeds too, and chop it into pieces. Add all these ingredients along with honey and ice into a blender, and there you go. Don't forget to add mint leaves at the end. Watermelons have tons of, water, as well as potassium and magnesium. All this good stuff hydrates your system and boosts its natural processes. Cucumber is 96% water too, which also helps your system function properly. Not to mention, it contains vitamin B and electrolytes that help replenish crucial nutrients your body and aching head is crying for at the moment. Honey adds its own health benefits thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. They instantly relieve headaches and go as far as preventing migraines. So if it's a problem you deal with regularly, this drink should certainly make it into your menu. Number 3. Tomato and carrot for hair growth. Shiny, healthy, and thick hair is a dream for many people. And one of the most common mistakes they make is to take care of their hair only from the outside, when they should also treat their system from the inside to get that hair glow and growth. There are lots of recipes you can find online, but the tomato, carrot, and cucumber juice one is definitely one of the best. Tomatoes contain an endless supply of vitamins, including vitamins A, B, C, and E. These 4 are outstanding stimulants for hair growth. Additionally, they're really good at removing dandruff, preventing hair loss, and treating scalp odor. Plus, you can not only eat tomatoes regularly, but also make tomato conditioner masks to double the effect. Carrots are beneficial for hair growth too, since they also contain vitamins B, C, and E, along with magnesium and phosphorus that boost blood circulation in your scalp to make your hair grow naturally. Experts even say that regular consumption of carrots can prevent premature graying of your hair. And finally, cucumber treats your hair with its natural components, including silicon and sulfur that stop hair breakage and make your strands stronger. But enough about this drink's endless benefits. Let's find out how to make it. Take 1 cucumber, 4 large carrots with trimmed ends, and 1 large tomato. Blend all these ingredients into a smooth and frothy juice and drink up. There aren't any strict guidelines as to when you should drink this mixture, so you can come up with your own schedule that suits you best. Number 4. Beet and carrot for perfect skin. Unfortunately for some of us, acne is a frequent or even constant problem that always swings from slightly better to the absolute worst. And if you're dealing with this issue too, then this drink can give you a helping hand. All you need is half of a juiced lemon, 2 cups of baby carrots, 2.5 small canned beets, 1 small apple, and 1 strip of ginger. Dice all these ingredients, put them in your juicer, and consume. Drinking this miracle mixture every day, or at least once every 3 days, will give you the clear skin you've always dreamed of. And it's all thanks to the amazing components. Lemon juice saves the day by providing your body with vitamin C and fighting free radicals. This is absolutely necessary for producing collagen, which in turn is what gives us healthy and glowing skin. If you think that carrots are good only for the hair, think again. Their anti-inflammatory properties and crucial nutrients work in different ways, simultaneously giving you a natural glow as well as acne-free and wrinkle-free skin. Beets are phenomenal too. They contain tons of antioxidants that are very effective at reducing hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. Apples are not only delicious, but also a great source of vitamin A, which gives a good dose of moisture to dry or dehydrated skin, brightens and lightens dull complexion, and eliminates the first signs of aging that a lot of us have to deal with. And ginger makes this mixture even more effective, especially if you have acne, because it quickly treats irritation and redness. Not bad for a natural homemade drink, right? That's why it's definitely worth a try. It can easily become your skin's lifesaver and best friend. Number 5. Grapefruit and cucumber for weight loss. Losing weight is never as easy as we want it to be. It takes a lot of time and effort. However, this drink can definitely help you achieve your perfect body sooner rather than later. No pills, dieting, or exhausting exercise necessary. The most powerful component in this mixture is grapefruit. It contains an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase. This fancy-named enzyme helps your body process sugar and therefore activates your metabolism. As a result, your calories quickly go down. Cucumber detoxifies the liver, flushing out all kinds of toxins and harmful elements from your body and making it way healthier and cleaner. It also provides you with needed hydration, which improves metabolism as well. Other important ingredients for this drink are mint and lemons. And yes, they're good not only for your skin, but for your waistline as well. Mint has a positive effect on your digestion, which is crucial for staying fit. And lemon juice makes you feel full for longer, preventing overeating and excessive calorie intake. So to make this drink a part of your daily routine, take a medium-sized grapefruit, half a sliced cucumber, sliced lemon, and some mint leaves. Chop them all up, throw them in a blender with a cup of water, and you're good to go. You can drink this mixture whole once a day or throughout the day. Whatever you choose to do, you'll certainly like what it does for your figure. Do you know any other cool and effective homemade drinks for health? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click that subscribe button. Always stay on the bright side of life.